One, go.
Okay, welcome back, guys, to Tradeview Markets weekly sessions. This is the second episode that we have of Forex 101. And myself and the team, we've been having a lot of great discussions on how we can provide more content for you guys as well. And what we're going to be doing moving forward is that we're going to be hosting more and more videos and calls just like the one you're seeing right now. And we're going to limit our calls to, between 5 to 10 minutes so we can really make sure that we're providing you with good content in a time that's easier for everyone to consume as well. So you're going to be seeing a lot more calls now. Instead of once a week, you're going to see the number of calls increase, and we'll continue to provide you guys with good quality content that will be shared on all of our platforms as well. So today's call is going to be about the 3 types of analysis, because every call is going to be a build up to eventually get to the more advanced content that we will be providing as well. Last week we did what is Forex and what can you trade on Forex. That video is up on YouTube right now, and also on TradeGate Hub as well. It's available. And today we're going to be looking at 3 types of analysis, which is very important as well, because you have to know what type of trader you are, how is your trading style going to be. And once you guys have an understanding of the 3 types of analysis that you can perform, you will then know moving forward, based on the type of content that we'll be delivering to you, how you can adjust that into your trading strategy. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to, bringing more and more content to you guys every single week. And now, we're going to begin with our session. Make sure you guys head over to tradeviewforex.com for more information as well, about how you can get started on your trading journey. So let's begin. Now, there are 3 types of analysis that, most traders often break down the analysis of Forex pairs into these 3 different categories. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what these 3 categories are and what they actually mean. So moving forward, when we're sharing more content with you guys, more educational information, you'll be able to understand what are the 3 types of categories and where does everything fall into that. So the first one is we have technical analysis, which is the most common form of analysis that is used when it comes to analyzing Forex pairs. Something that's very popular, something that people, are getting more into and learning more about as well. Secondly, we have fundamental analysis, which is again also very popular, and it kind of goes hand in hand with technical analysis as well as additional confirmation. There are people that purely trade on doing fundamental analysis too, and it's a great way, for you to be trading in the markets as well. And last but not least, we have sentiment analysis too. So these are the 3 types of analysis that we have that, most Forex traders, they break into one of these 3 categories. And now we're going to go into just a little bit more detail in understanding what these 3 categories are. So starting with the first one, we have technical analysis. So what is technical analysis? So I'm going to give you guys the definition, and then I'll briefly explain it to you as well. So this is reading the charts using a series of technical tools, which normally involves tools that are developed using some sort of mathematical equation and using historical data to predict what will happen next. So technical analysis is essentially using a variety of different tools on a trading platform that will provide you with these tools, and you can actually analyze the previous data of the market and have an indication of where the market could be going next. Now, there are different forms of technical analysis that you can use as well. There are different varieties and different variations that you can apply, and we will be teaching you in the upcoming lessons as well the different forms of technical analysis, the different ways you can analyze a pair using technical analysis. So all of these things we will be going through with you guys in later sessions. But this is the most common way that I've personally seen, a lot of people analyze the markets through technical analysis. And this will be the first thing that we will start with as well when it comes to teaching you guys how to actually apply all of this knowledge onto the charts, okay, which is coming very soon as well. So moving on from there, we then have fundamental analysis. So what is fundamental analysis? Once again, I'll give you guys a breakdown, the definition, and then we'll go into the breakdown as well. So this is a review of the economic and political forces that might come into play when forecasting the direction of a currency pair. The majority of fundamental trades rely on news daily, weekly, monthly to decide whether they will buy or sell a currency pair. So how this essentially works is that you are using the news that is happening on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or a monthly basis to indicate, the direction of a currency pair and where it's heading. There are oftentimes, a lot of major news released which impacts the direction of which a currency pair is moving in. And we are also going to teach you how to use the news, how to analyze the news, and how to utilize what the news is telling you into the actual trading charts as well, and giving you a sense of, the direction of how some of the news can impact different currency pairs as well. So fundamental analysis is something that you can also combine with technical analysis as well. And that will be able to, again, give you more accuracy and more confirmation on the trades that you are placing as well. So definitely something that we will be diving into as well, going into a bit more detail about fundamental analysis. And it's something that is definitely very powerful and, performed in the right way can also help you a lot moving forward as well. And last but not least, we have sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis is basically a trader's sentiment, refers to how people can devise their own opinions over how the market is changing and where it's heading. So they may do this using one of the three types of charts, which include line charts, bar charts, or candlestick charts, with no real form of analysis. So this is basically just seeing what other people are doing, in the market, how are other people taking positions. Also, you're kind of just analyzing the charts for what they are without going into detail, without applying any trading tools onto there. So, sentiment analysis is not very common in the sense of a lot of beginners or a lot of advanced traders are not really using this form of analysis. They mainly stick with technical analysis or fundamental analysis. So that's the reason why, especially to begin with, we are going to be kicking things off with technical analysis and showing you guys how you can apply these different tools onto the charts so that you can be, having an idea of what's going to be happening moving forward and increasing your knowledge base when it comes to trading on the Forex market. So this was just, a quick session once again today to show you guys 3 different forms of analysis. And now that moving forward, you can, actually decide which one you want to get into more and how you want to, learn that moving forward as well. But we have a lot more sessions coming in the near future in which we will go into, deeper into technical analysis and fundamental analysis as well, and show you guys how to start implementing this on the charts. But we're starting from the very beginning and we're going to work our way through, and we're going to make sure that you guys are seeing all of these sessions on our YouTube channel and on TradeGate Hub as well. So this was today's session, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was something light, something easy for you to digest as well. And we've got more sessions coming in, throughout the week as well, going into next week too. So we'll be announcing those as well. So once again, thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure you are staying tuned for all of the next sessions that are coming up. There's a lot of great content coming. Check out tradeviewforex.com if you want to, get started with your trading journey today. See all of the amazing things that Tradeview Forex that Tradeview Markets can offer you on tradeviewforex.com. And of course, check out TradeGate Hub as well, a free platform that would allow you to learn about the markets as well, and also gain the information to become a better trader too. So thank you very much for attending our session today, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next call. Thank you very much.